Oh, that. Okay.
Verb tense exercise 1. Top of form. Every Monday, Sally drives her kids to football practice. Usually, I work as a secretary at ABT, but this summer, I am studying French at a language school in Paris. That is why I am in Paris. Shh. Be quiet. John is sleeping. Don't forget to take your umbrella. It is raining. I hate living in
Seattle.
Because it is always raining. I'm sorry, I can't hear what you are saying because everybody is talking so loudly. Justin is currently writing a book about his adventures in Tibet.
In Tibet.
Tibet.
Okay. All right.